In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon code in Stripe. This is a great feature for businesses looking to provide discounts to their customers, whether it's a seasonal promotion or a special deal. So let's dive right into the steps and ensure you get the most out of this tutorial. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Stripe account and navigating to your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, look towards the left-hand side and click on Product Catalog. This is where all your products and offerings are managed, and it's a pivotal area for setting up promotions. Now, once you're in the product catalog, your next action is to select coupons from the menu. As a business owner or manager, creating coupons can be an extremely efficient way to manage promotions. After clicking on coupons, you'll see an option to create a new coupon. Go ahead and click Create Coupon to begin setting up your discount offer. You'll then be prompted to enter a name for your coupon. This should be something easy to remember and relevant to your promotion. Next, you'll choose the type of discount you want to offer. Stripe gives you two main options, a percentage off or a fixed amount off. Make sure to consider what would be most appealing to your customers, and then select the percentage or fixed amount accordingly. For example, if you're having a big seasonal sale, you might want to go with a percentage discount, say 20% off all items. If you intend for this coupon to be applicable to just certain items rather than your entire product range, you have the option to toggle a switch. This allows you to specify individual products that the discount can be applied to. Keep in mind, targeting certain products can be a great strategy to boost sales where you need it most. Additionally, you'll need to decide on the duration of the coupon. Will it be available indefinitely, or are you offering it only for a limited time? Setting a specific duration can create urgency and encourage quicker purchases. Once you've entered all your coupon details, double-check everything to make sure it's set up just the way you want. Finally, when you're confident that all the information is correct, go ahead and click Create Coupon. This confirms your setup and makes the coupon active within your Stripe account. And that's it. You now have a functioning coupon code that you can share with your customers to enhance sales and customer satisfaction. Remember, managing coupons effectively within Stripe can be a powerful tool to drive your business goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for other helpful tips and tricks with Stripe.